Okay, we're going to do something kind of a little different today. I usually work with paper, watercolor, or things like that. This isn't a craft, it's a fix. I was gone for about 6 days to see a new grandbaby, and my husband, who works from home, stayed home with the dogs. One of them got, I think, a little tired of me being gone and chewed a hole in the comforter. And as soon as my husband told me, I immediately thought she'd had enough, and it was kind of done out of love, frustration and love. So what I'm going to do, since this is about hand size, I'm going to see about putting a heart on here, quilting a heart on here. We'll do front and back, padding, and I'm just going to do it by hand because this is too big to manage through a sewing machine. Okay, I have the bed all made, and I'm going to repair this while it's on the bed because I think it'd be a whole lot easier. So this is not the guy who did the hole, by the way. He's trustworthy. So let's see if we can find this. Bubba, you gotta move. That's a good boy. There's the hole. So let's measure the hole. So I need a heart. I think 6x6 is going to do it. A 6x6 inch square. I may initially cut 7x7 or 7x6 and then create a heart, and then we will fix this hole. It was at this point I started having trouble with my phone. So basically what I did was I placed the heart front and back with the filling in between, and I had to do it by feel, and I did random stitching throughout. It's not exactly quilting, it's just something to keep it in place. And I did use a little bit of stitch witchery to kind of iron it in place while I sewed it. So, you know, we ended up keeping the quilt. We end up covering it with a dog blanket anyway. This is the culprit. And she's happy, we're happy, and I get to keep my quilt. And it doesn't really look all that bad, plus doesn't really show. So hope this helps you. Maybe you can fix a pillow or a blanket that your loved one has chewed a hole in and still keep it and use it. So we'll see you again soon next time. Thanks for stopping by.